The numbers were screaming, but no one could hear them. Late 18th century England was drowning in data. Trade ledgers stacked like bricks, columns of exports, imports, debts, growth, ink everywhere, meaning nowhere. Governments argued, merchants guessed, economies lurched blindly forward. And hidden inside those endless rows of numbers was a pattern no human mind could see. Until one man tried something radical. In 1786, William Playfair sat alone, surrounded by paper and frustration. He wasn't a mathematician by trade. He wasn't a famous scientist. He was an engineer, a political economist, a man obsessed with one simple question. How do you make truth visible? At night, candlelight flickered over his desk as he stared at tables of figures, years marching downward, values marching across. He realized something unsettling. Numbers weren't the problem. Human perception was. The brain couldn't feel change through columns. It couldn't sense momentum. It couldn't see comparison. So Playfair did something almost heretical. He drew a line, a single stroke across paper, time on one axis, value on the other. As the pen moved, something impossible happened. Trade rose, trade fell, wars left scars, peace left recoveries. Suddenly, history wasn't buried in numbers. It was alive, moving, breathing across the page. This wasn't decoration. It was revelation. Playfair didn't stop there. He created bar charts to compare nations, pie charts to show proportion, shapes, lengths, angles, tools that spoke directly to the human eye, bypassing calculation and striking intuition instead. For the first time, you didn't need to compute change. You could feel it. Here's the twist. When Playfair published his charts, many scholars dismissed them. Too simple, too visual, almost childish. Serious knowledge, they believed, belonged in dense tables and long proofs. But merchants understood instantly. Statesmen grasped trends at a glance. Power shifted, not because the data changed, but because perception did. This was the moment math stopped whispering to experts and started speaking to everyone. From that quiet experiment came everything we now take for granted. Economic forecasts, stock market graphs, election maps, climate curves, pandemic charts. Every time a line rises and your heart tightens, every time a bar drops and panic spreads, that emotional response traces back to Playfair's pen. The climax isn't that he invented charts, it's that he changed how humans think. He proved that understanding isn't just about precision, it's about visibility, about translating abstraction into something the mind can grasp instantly, emotionally, truthfully. And today, in a world ruled by dashboards and data streams, we are still living inside that breakthrough. If this story helped you see the world a little differently, take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who loves ideas, subscribe for more hidden moments in human history, and leave a comment below. I'd love to know what surprised you most.